The 2025 Ford Sierra RS Cosworth is a hyper variant of the Sierra model, boasting an impressive array of specs and features. This vehicle is part of Ford's iconic Sierra lineup, which is known for its advanced technology, comfortable ride, and sporty design. The 2025 Sierra RS Cosworth is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces up to 217 horsepower and 214 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing precise and responsive shifting. The Sierra RS Cosworth's advanced technology features include a range of innovative safety features, including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The vehicle also features a range of convenience features, including an 8-inch touchscreen display, a premium audio system, and a range of connectivity options. The Sierra RS Cosworth's interior is designed to provide a comfortable and practical driving experience, with features such as heated seats, a power moonroof, and a range of premium materials. In terms of design, the Sierra RS Cosworth features a sleek and modern exterior, with a range of innovative lighting features and a bold front grille. The vehicle's interior is equally impressive. With a range of premium materials and a focus on comfort and durability, the Sierra RS Cosworth also features a range of advanced safety features, including a 360 camera system and a range of sensors that provide a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings. Additionally, the vehicle features advanced performance features, including a range of driving modes that allow drivers to customize their driving experience. The Sierra RS Cosworth's advanced suspension system provides a smooth and comfortable ride, while its range of advanced aerodynamics features provide improved handling and stability. The Sierra RS Cosworth also features a range of advanced performance upgrades, including a high-performance exhaust system and a range of suspension upgrades. Overall, the 2025 Ford Sierra Cosworth is a vehicle that is sure to impress, with its advanced technology, impressive performance, and luxurious features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance vehicle. The Sierra RS Cosworth's specs and features make it a standout in its class, with its combination of innovative technology, impressive performance, and luxurious features. With its range of advanced safety features and convenience features, the Sierra RS is a vehicle that is sure to meet the needs of drivers seeking a comfortable and efficient driving experience.